Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Samanita and this is my channel Makeup and Beauty. So in today's video I am going to talk about a lip and cheek tint all from the brand Eva Cosmetics. So yes, finally I just laid my hand on this lovely lip and cheek tint. Let me tell you, I am a person who loves to apply blush only on my cheeks and matte lipstick on my lips. So I never tried out any lip and cheek tint because basically I don't feel that I need them because I am not a big fan of this kind of lip and cheek tint. But as I just trying out Eva Cosmetics must have lip and cheek tint, it totally changed my concept of lip and cheek tint. So let me first show you the product. The 4 lip and cheek tint from Eva Cosmetics that I am going to review today in my today's video are these. So these are the 4 must have lip and cheek tint all from Eva Cosmetics. These are the shade. The shades are Forever Nude, Timeless Mocha, Sheer Peach, All Time Pink. So you can see the shade name just at the top of the packaging here. The price of each lip and cheek tint is rupees 499 and you are going to get 4 gram of product. Now let me show you the packaging. This comes up in this kind of box kind of packaging like you can see, and this is how the packaging of the lip and cheek tint look like. It comes up in a square kind of container like so. So this is the shade Sheer Peach. The next shade is All Time Pink. The third shade is Forever Nude. The fourth and my favorite lip and cheek tint from this all 4 is Timeless Mocha. Can you just see? It is a very beautiful mauvish kind of pink, I would say. This is one of my favorite. Although I am wearing right now All Time Pink lip and cheek tint and also on my cheek today just to try out and just to see how are these on fair skin people, because generally dark shade lip and cheek tint doesn't go on the fair skin people, but this lip and cheek tint blend so effortlessly on my skin. As you can see, the pink shade is although very dark but it looking so good on my cheeks. I just love it. Basically we always reach out to lip and cheek tint during winter only because that is the time when we feel to have something moisturizing on our skin and also hydrating on our lips. So ये जो Eva Cosmetics के lip and cheek tint है ये just perfect है winter के लिए क्योंकि आप इसको as a blush आप use कर सकते हो. It is actually almost like a cream ब्लश और ये बहुत इजीली ब्लेंड हो जाते हैं आपके स्किन के ऊपर. लेट मी टेल यू, आज जो मैंने बेस किया था उसमें मैंने यूज किया है फाउंडेशन एंड देन पाउडर. फिर उसके ऊपर आई यूज दिस लिप एंड चीक टिंट. बट लेट मी टेल यू, ये एकदम से ब्लेंड हो गया है. मेकअप इज नॉट लुकिंग ड्राई और पैची बिकॉज आई हैव अप्लाइड दिस लिप एंड चीक टिंट ऑन द टॉप ऑफ अ पाउडर बेस, बट स्टिल इट ब्लेंड्स आउट so good and I just love it. I know this winter is all about dry skin, so definitely मैं तो ये lip and cheek tint बहुत ही यूज करने वाली हूँ. एंड माई फेवरेट इज टाइमलेस मोका. ऑल्दो आई लव ऑल द 4 ऑफ देम. इनफैक्ट ये जो ऑल टाइम पिंक लिप एंड चीक टिंट है, आई नेवर थॉट दैट इट विल लुक सो गुड ऑन माई चीक ऑल्सो बिकॉज अगर आप देखोगे यू कैन सी हाउ डार्क इट इज एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो अप्लाइड दिस टिंट ऑन माई लिप्स ऑल्सो, सो यू कैन गेस दैट हाउ डार्क इट इज. बट on my cheek I use it very light handed and it just turned out too good. Overall मैं तो definitely recommend करने वाली हूँ आप सबको to try out Eva Cosmetics must have lip and cheek tint because these are the perfect product for this winter and all the lip and cheek tint that I have shown in this video give a very natural flush of color on my cheeks जो आप swatches video में भी आप देख सकते हो. So overall I highly recommend you all to try out this lip and cheek tint because I just fallen in love with this lip and cheek tint. So yes, that's all for today and that is all about Eva Cosmetics lip and cheek tint. So this winter grab Eva Cosmetics must have lip and cheek tint to get that natural flush of color on your cheek and lip. And that's complete my today's video and I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful and stay stylish. Bye. Finally, I just start loving the Eva must have lip and cheek tints. They are truly a must have for me as they are 100% natural, weightless, ultra blendable with a creamy matte texture like you can see. They have a super pigmented and long wearing formula for a natural looking sheer finish. You can use my coupon code LIP all caps 10 on Eva Cosmetics exclusive website to get an additional 10% discount on this Eva Cosmetics product. You can also purchase this Eva product from Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart and Myntra. Now moving on to the ingredients part. Now this lip and cheek tint have all the natural goodness. It have rose hip oils, apricot kernel oil, non-toxic mineral colors and vitamin E. Now we all know that rose hip oil hydrate, heals and reduces discoloration. So prolonged use of this lip and cheek tint will reduce the discoloration of our lips, and it also hydrate and heals our lip from dryness. The apricot kernel oil that present in this lip tint will brighten and plumps our lip. It have non-toxic mineral colors which are safe and vegan pigments. This lip tint have vitamin E also that fights free radical damage. It is basically a 2-in-1 multitasker for everyday, no makeup, minimal look. It is weightless, blendable, creamy matte in texture. As you can see, it is very pigmented and long wearing formula that stays on my cheek and lips for at least 3 hours, and it gives a very natural looking sheer finish. As you can see, it hydrates and protects while imparting gorgeous color on your cheek along with on your lips. All we need to do, we have to use our fingertips. We can gently dab a little bit of this tint onto our lips and then on the apple of our cheeks, and you can blend it with your finger. I use a brush just to see that how easily it blend with the brush, and let me tell you, I am really impressed that how easily it blend with the brush also. It blends into the skin, build a color as needed. It can be applied on your bare skin or over a lip balm or on your foundation. So in short, it is a must-have lip and cheek tint from Eva Cosmetics that I totally fallen in love for.